Well, here's the big question today. This is the injector pop test, I guess you call it a pop test, kit that I ordered from Mercedes Source a few years ago, and I used it to rebuild the injectors in one of my cars. So I've got all the different shims, some new heat shields. There's some old ones there. But here's the injector bodies, and you can see these injector bodies, I think they're just mix matched. Like this half might have come from one injector, this one from another one. And they still have all the internals. There's the spring, there's a spacer, here's the little, I forgot what you call that. And then there's this piece. But they're dirty and they're rusty. So I can clean them off. I have some fine grit sandpaper. And then I can lap, the face of them by going like this, put some water on there and lap the face of them to smooth everything out. But really the question is, can I use all these parts? I think they're from various different injectors, but they're all there. I clean up these bodies, maybe take them to the machine shop. But then I'll just order some new injector nozzles. These are the old injector nozzles that originally came out of my gold car. And these things, they're old, and they'd probably still work, but they're not in good condition. But really, I'm trying to determine, do I need to order a new set of these? Since these have, been mismatched with, this half came from one, this half came from the other, and the parts are probably mismatched in between them. Or can I just clean these up, use the correct spacers, and I'm not going to have any leaking issues is what I'm concerned with, because they've been mismatched. Anyway, you guys chime in. Let me know what you would do. This is actually one I got online. But yeah, chime in. Let me know what you would do.